time is it now? But yeah, good afternoon anyway. As you can see from the title below, I will be unboxing 12 sets of EVERBILENA. I will unbox this cute box in front of me, and inside of it, there's a 12 set of Hello Glow. So let me show you. It's a bit heavy, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Well, I actually received it yesterday, but I have decided to, unbox this with you. Ma-video naman tayo, girl. So yeah, so this is actually my baligya. I am an authorized seller of Hello Glow. As you can see, my face it's glowing, but sorry for this pimple under my lips because yung ating new girl is malapit ng regla, and look at my face, girl, it's so clear. Oh, diba, Zay? Gusto ka mag-clear yung face ngayon na ni Zay? Palit na, Zay. Well, you can actually purchase this one. Message me on my Facebook account. Here is my Facebook account. Yeah, just message me there if you want to purchase. Baka lang naman, guys. Pagpalit na mo, oy, para mahalin sa ditong baligya, Zay. Daan niya po yan. Wait, kalita mo, oy. So, yeah. Labasig magunting! So, yeah, let me unbox this. So difficult to open, but look what I got. They actually gave me 3 freebies, guys. This 200 ml Hello Glow toner and my new eyeliner, which is we can use this one for our makeup, Rejuvenous, and a Hello Glow whitening soap. Thank you so much, Miss Dimple Cortez. Nalimos pangalan, guys. Pero yeah, I will thank you na lang po. Anyway, let's continue. This is how it looks like. This is the packaging looks like. This Hello Glow set is safe for sensitive skin, teenagers, pregnant women, and breastfeeding women, which is good. Saan ka ba naman makakahanap ng rejuvenating set na pwede sa buntis at pwede sa napapalagay? I never heard about it. Like, ngayon lang, which is very good. Okay, let's end this video, guys, because there's a lot of unnecessary voices that you shouldn't hear. Ayan, mga sabahan, guys. Ayan pa, guys. Okay. Paksiw.
This one. Hi guys.
You like fish?
Good. Good, Mama.
Good, Mama. Yummy? Yummy?
Yes, one. My favorite dish. Favorite ko. Chicken.
Open.
Tiger.
Tiger, this one.
Lion.
Lion. Kangaroo. This one.
Lion.
Koala. Again, what's that?
Elephant.
Next.
Garbage.
Vegetables.
Pepper. Potato.
Potato.
Pumpkin. Mountain Peak Mom.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sunday, September 13, 2020. I just woke up and today is my grandpa's birthday. He's in heaven now. Let me plug you in. Let's open this. Fasing.
This book of guns.
Sa Milo cereal.
Coco guns.
Let's see na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, Papa Lo.
Blue na.
Bilis blue. Ganyan o. Ganyan.
Yay!
Yay!